Horses and we have Sol Invictus, fast to begin, Lord of the Sun, moving a party out, an amazing success. Then followed by Most Unbelievable comes next, Bagong Barrio. Then comes Forever Young, Friendly Fire, Luck to Win, Simple Beauty, and Sabor. The Champagne is the early trailer. We have Sol Invictus by about 2 lengths. Amazing success is right behind in second, 3 lengths away in third, Lord of the Sun, Bagong Barrio in fourth, Simple Beauty alongside Most Unbelievable, Friendly Fire, Forever Young, Luck to Win, and Savor the Champagne. Meanwhile, we have Sol Invictus by about 2.5 lengths. Amazing success remains in second. Lord of the Sun now trying to get closer in third, Bagong Barrio and Most Unbelievable. And it's still Sol Invictus, and on the outside is Amazing Success. Lord of the Sun in third, Bagong Barrio. And it's still Sol Invictus, and on the outside is Amazing Success. Lord of the Sun is racing in third, Bagong Barrio, Most Unbelievable as they come down at the last 150. Amazing Success down on the inside is Sol Invictus. Moving up, Lord of the Sun on the outside. Amazing Success, Lord of the Sun, Sol Invictus. Once again down on the inside. Sol Invictus, Lord of the Sun is on the outside. Sol Invictus, Lord of the Sun, and finally it's Sol Invictus, Lord of the Sun. Then comes number 10, Amazing Success, Bagong Barrio.
Luck to Win.